Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to install a strip on a car. They're all done. We have one to go. So I'm gonna show you guys the process. This is already cut out. If you want to see idea how to cut them out, I have a separate video on that. These are 9-inch strips. Depending on what size you're using, you might have to cut them down, but this is already good. You're gonna need some masking tape, razor knife, scissors, stuff like that. These are the sticky strips. Some are soapy, water install. This is not it, so this is a little simpler in a way. But basically, first we're going to run a strip in the middle, 2-inch wide strip for the masking tape to line this up like the rest of the car was done, and then we'll install the strip. There we go. And we can start installing. Don't recommend doing this unless you feel comfortable. This car does have a clear wrap on it, so it makes it a little safer for the paint. So main thing now is make sure your surface is clean. Wash your car, use rubbing alcohol, whatever you need to make sure it's prepped. And then we're gonna peel from the bottom here. You leave in the top portion until you install it. This is your sticky surface. We're gonna probably start from the bottom, work our way up, as this is the complicated portion. Do take this off and work our way down. Line it up with the tape here. See through the transparency here, the paint, so that's good. Now we're just gonna work our way down. And up. Now we just work our way up. Good thing is you can peel this back up if you need to. Just make sure it's lined up good. I'm gonna get a squeegee. Don't do this on a windy day, guys. Anyway, peel the back. Got my little bundle squeegee here. And now I'm just gonna push it to make sure it's as flat as possible as I install. Just making sure I'm with the line. here. You see I'm lining up nice with the masking tape, so that's a good sign, because there is still dents here in the hood. And we just keep going. Now, feel for any bumps, and just the best you can, squeegee out the air. If we were doing the soapy water mixture method, it would be a lot easier to move this around the liner. Since this is already sticky, you gotta work out the bubbles now. And I'm hoping sun and time will also take out any imperfections. If not, we'll see what we can do. So we're gonna clean up the edge here. Pop your hood open. And you're gonna wrap this around the edge as well. We have some bubbles to get out, but we'll get back to that. Not bad at all for a first time, guys. Just gonna have to push out the bubbles, clean all this up, we'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, application complete. Came out pretty good. All curved, cut over there as well. And one thing we noticed with this wrap, we do have some bubbles. I was reading that's normal. You can try to remove them, but supposedly with this Oracle 651 wrap, this is the sticky one, not the wet application one. It's a porous surface on it, and these bubbles should go away with sun hitting it over time. You can try a heat gun if you want. You can even do the pop the bubbles, a lot of people say, and smooth them out that way. But we might try, I'll show you guys a couple how to pop them, but in reality we're just gonna wait, let it go out on its own. So if you want to get rid of the bubbles, you're gonna get a fine thread needle, just give it a little pop, and then you're just gonna push it out, and that's gonna get your air out. So that's one option. I would recommend just waiting before you start doing that, especially if you have a lot of bubbles. But besides that, that's the simple method of doing it. I'll make more videos in the future as I get better on this. But thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Any tips, please share. I could definitely use them. And thank you for watching. Here's what it looks about a week later. As you see, all the little bumps are gone. And we didn't need to do any of that needle pinching stuff. Nice and smooth, just like the original one. So this vinyl works really well.